Hey, what up? We are in an event. Can you guys believe it? In an event.
It's been so long.
Yes, it's been like 3 years or
Yeah.
2 years. Well, we did go to an event back last year.
Yeah.
That was during COVID. This is something like transitioning away from COVID, so it can be considered as post-COVID.
Yeah.
So post-COVID event, first one in the year, and this is a Huawei flagship product launch.
Yeah.
We still don't know what the product is. It's still a mystery, big mystery. But what we know is that it's a flagship product. I'm thinking it's a watch because there's a lot of hints that it's going to be a watch.
We shall see.
Yes, we shall see.
No.
Now, Tiara is in the virtual range already. And we're going to try and see how she fares with the virtual golf. I've never played golf in my life before. The closest to it will be hockey. I guess same with Tiara. We'll just see how it goes. For me, just be prepared to see me fail epically.
So you can, when you want to start, you press the button, and then it's supposed to like detect how fast your swing is.
Wow.
So your right pinky, right, interlocks with your left index.
Oh no, my hands. I'm already having a
Put
problem.
it down, alright? So make sure this, so you see this face, right?
Yeah.
Try and make sure that it's square. Right.
Can be Tiger Woods ready.
There's a twinning temple. 2.6.
Nice.
See? Yeah. Cool.
Nice.
Wow.
Also,
Oops. This is like 8.4.
No, I don't remember.
So we tried golfing, and I think after having a few swings, I think it is safe to say that we are really pro golfers. The stats that we saw just now on the Huawei watch, the GT Pro, it was telling us the swings that we made, the tempo, what else? The drive, speed.
The speed.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
what I interpret from the sets that I read was that we are very good. Yeah, but that's from my own interpretation. Yeah.
But it was really interesting because it's such a specific sport. Yeah, then like, yeah, it's just interesting. Like they will tell you like how fast you're swinging. So like, let's say you want to improve in your swing speed, then you know like, oh, okay, how much more strength I need to put into my swing to get like a higher swing speed.
Oh,
Yeah.
so what I've also learned from our very wise mentor coach, golf coach just now, was that the key to a good golf drive is not about the strength of your swing, but rather the speed of your swing.
Ah.
And it's all about the motion of your body, you know, as you are, as the club goes down and starts swinging, right? So the speed and how it swings, hitting the ball and driving the ball away, that's the key to having a good drive. Yeah, that's all I know.
But I'm not gonna lie, every time I watch golf, right, I always wonder like, how is this a sport? But like when we try and all of that, I think it actually says that how many calories that you burn.
There was calories.
Yeah, on the stats, right? After you hit the end workout, then you can see like how many calories you burn, how many
Yes.
swings you did, what was the average speed of your swing, and like I didn't know that it could be quite tiring to swing balls.
Yeah. So I had about 5 swings. Tiara had about 4 swings. So a total of 9 swings. We burned quite a lot of calories,
Like 100.
right? A lot. And that's why we are back at our table, topping up. Yeah, topping up our
Get
fuel.
back the calories.
Yes,
There you go.
because that's how life is. It's all about swinging, hitting,
Eating.
missing, and
Eating.
eating whatever calories that we have lost.
Yeah.
That's life. Hashtag keys to life.
Also, we are waiting for 8 o'clock because they are going to do like a global announcement of a new product. So it's going to be like global, like everyone is going to count down and watch it like from wherever they are, but it's going to be live here because the guy is the head of some, Richard Yi,
Yeah,
is going to unveil it
Yes.
live here.
It's very exciting because from what the MC announced just now, there's going to be quite a few product lineup that will be revealed. One of which I'm highly anticipating is Huawei's own foldable smartphone.
So we'll see.
Huawei, we are leading on the foldable smartphone technology and innovation. If you look back 3 years ago, we launched the first foldable smartphone with an outside screen, the Huawei Mate X, and later on we upgraded to Mate XS. Huawei wearable have 5 series to bring you different experience. Advanced series means smart and innovation, like the Huawei Watch 3. The style series attracting for young consumers with colorful and lightweight design, light watch fit and pattern. Canva series for professional health management. Professional series has ultimate sports skills with accurate positioning. Our classic series, like our Watch GG series, is very popular globally. It has a high quality classic design, professional sports training, all-day health management, and a powerful battery life, up to 14 days battery life. Today, I bring you a new member Huawei Watch GG series. This is the Huawei Watch GG3 Pro.
Alright, I'm back home, and just now when we were at the event, the event organizers, they were nice enough to give us a gift bag. I just want to quickly take out one thing at a time and just reveal what is in this bag. This is in no bias order, okay? It's not like I pick the boxes and then just try to reveal. This is all random, so whatever that I pick gets revealed first. So the first thing is this Huawei Watch Fit 2. This is not been released in Singapore yet, or actually globally. It's going to be released sometime next month. So I've got a full month to try this out and then attempt to review it, of course. This will be up in the YouTube channel very soon. A Huawei gift umbrella. Nice. I did just read the weather report this morning, and the report says that we are going to expect a lot more warmer and drier days ahead. So thank you, Huawei, because I'm wishing that after a few more weeks, either the monsoon will come once again and we will get cool and possibly wet at the same time, and this is what I need. Very big gray bag. It's a string bag. What do you call it? Drawstring, yes. A Huawei backpack. Wait, let's see whether everything can be caught on video. Yep, it's a backpack. Looks like a laptop bag. Definitely can, yes, you can store a 16-inch, at least looks like 16 inches possible to stuff inside. And you got a few more pockets for random accessories. What else? Oh. Yeah, I was just thinking that this is metallic, but it is not. It could be metal. So anyway, there's a carrier. Red and gray. Interesting accent. Again, thank you, Huawei, for this gift, for these door gifts. Very much excited for this one, of course. Stay tuned, guys. And I just want to thank Huawei for the invite to the event just now. It was totally refreshing because we have not had an event, a tech event, for I don't know how long. It has been since COVID started. I only remember there was one that we did last year, but that was not as grand as today's. So again, Huawei, thank you once again for the invite. Alright guys, that's it for the video. If you do enjoy this video, hit the like button. And if you want to be notified for future videos that we upload, hit the bell notification button down below. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.